Bible Study Guide, Day 46, Leviticus 8-10. The book of Leviticus continues with the ordination of Aaron and his sons as priests. This is a crucial moment for the Israelites as they are establishing their religious structure and worship practices. God provides specific instructions on how to consecrate the priests and prepare them for their role in serving Him. Everything from their clothing, anointing oil, offerings, and sacrifices is carefully detailed by God. This shows the importance of obedience in worship and how even the smallest details are significant to God. As believers, we should take note and ensure that our worship is done according to God's instructions and not based on our own preferences or traditions. In Leviticus 8, we also see the atonement for the sin of Aaron and his sons. This is a reminder that even those who are called to serve God are still human and prone to sin. In our own lives, we must constantly seek forgiveness and restoration through Christ's sacrifice on the cross. In Leviticus 9, we see the first offering made by Aaron and his sons as priests. This offering is a sin offering, a burnt offering, and a fellowship offering. It is an act of worship and dedication to God. This chapter also highlights the importance of following God's instructions precisely. The Israelites have been instructed on how to make offerings before, but this time it is being done by those specifically chosen and consecrated by God. It is crucial for them to adhere to His instructions in order for their offerings to be accepted. After Aaron sacrifices the sin offering, the burnt offering, and the fellowship offering, he enters the tent of meeting with Moses. When they come out, they bless the people, and the glory of the Lord appears to all. The people shout for joy and fall face down in worship. In Leviticus 10, we read about the death of Aaron's sons, Nadab and Abihu. They offer unauthorized fire before the Lord, and as a result, they are consumed by fire from God. This serves as a reminder of the seriousness of sin and disobedience in our relationship with God. We cannot approach God on our own terms or offer worship that is not in line with His will. Moses has two of Aaron's cousins dispose of the bodies, since Aaron can't touch a dead body or he'll become unclean. Then Moses tells Aaron and his two younger sons that they can't perform the traditional grief practices in response to God killing Nadab and Abihu for their blatant rebellion. Other people are allowed to grieve respectfully, but not them. In the midst of this, God speaks to Aaron directly, and God gives him specific orders about the way he and the other priests are supposed to be set apart. God tells him that they have to avoid drinking when they enter the tent of meeting. This is why some people think Aaron's two oldest sons had been drinking before they were struck down. This highlights another role of priests: to teach the people the difference between holy and unholy, clean and unclean. It is the responsibility of priests to guide people in their relationship with God and help them understand His laws. Moses orders Aaron's two remaining sons to make an offering, then eat it as a gift of provision from God. But they don't eat it, and Moses is furious at them. Aaron explains that he and his sons have suffered enough, and Moses relents. This serves as a reminder that even in the midst of disciplinary actions from God, He still provides for His servants and their families. As believers, we must trust in God's provision and learn to follow His instructions closely. We must also remember that our obedience brings blessings, while disobedience has consequences. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help us spread the word. God bless you.